Hello, my name is Bryce Atzbach, and this is ibuprofen and green chemistry. What is green chemistry? Green chemistry is an area of chemistry and chemical engineering focused on the design of products and processes that eliminate or minimize the use of and generation of hazardous substances. There are 8 principles of green chemistry, and today we are going to examine 4 of them in reference to ibuprofen. Principle 1. Synthetic methods should be designed to maximize the incorporation of all materials used in the final product. Ibuprofen is made to be as efficient as possible. The makers of ibuprofen do this by calculating atom economy. Percent atom economy is calculated by molar mass of atoms utilized divided by molar mass of reactants times 100%. The atom economy of ibuprofen is 77%. Principle 2. Synthetic methods should be designed to use and generate substances that possess little or no toxicity to human health or the environment. Now this one might seem obvious, but it's important to note that pharmaceuticals must be designed to not have any toxic effects on humans, or if they do, to be minimized as much as possible. Ibuprofen, in its recommended quantities, follows this principle. Principle number 3. Chemical products should be designed so that at the end of their function, they do not persist in the environment or break down into dangerous products. Playing back into principle 2, ibuprofen has to be made so that it doesn't break down into anything dangerous while it is sitting in someone's cabinet. It will also not persist and cause any harm to the environment once it is disposed of. Principle 4. Substances used in a chemical process should be chosen to minimize the potential for chemical accidents, including releases, explosions, and fires. Ibuprofen, while combusting at high temperature, is safe at room temperature and standard living conditions. This principle is more about human safety externally as opposed to internally. The daily use of green chemical properties. It is better to prevent waste than to treat or clean up waste after it is formed. It is a good practice in one's everyday life to have practical disposal areas for things, or to use safety to prevent accidents from occurring. For example, it's better to take care of an old soda by dumping it down the sink than to leave it sitting next to the couch where it could get knocked over and spill onto the couch, thus creating a mess to be treated or disposed of. Thank you for listening to my presentation.